Happy Easter Day from Utö in the Stockholm Archipelago. It is today, let's see, 5th of April and Sunday, rainy Sunday, that is 11:30 a.m. and I am here at Barnens Bad, the children's beach here in Utö, just around 1.5 kilometers from the Bryggan, which is the main port here in Utö Island. Fantastic island that I have visited in autumn, and it was so nice in the sea back then. This April it's a bit colder than that, but we're gonna go in anyway for a swim. I did my first swim here in Utö yesterday, where it was so windy, but also a bit sunny. Today, strong winds are coming later tonight, but now it's time to celebrate Easter in the best possible way with a swim in the sea, the Baltic Sea. Currently it's 4 degrees Celsius, but based on my weather app it says feels like -2. In the sea, 5 degrees, so warmer in the sea. I remember having lots of jellyfish here in the autumn that are not dangerous at all actually. So let's then get dressed and go in for a swim here at Utö Barnens Bad in the Stockholm Archipelago on this rainy Easter day. Let's go! Let's go swimming! And let me clear the camera. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Okay. We need to walk a bit here to get into deeper waters, I remember. And we need to avoid, there was one sand pit also as well. How's it called? Quicksand. And this natural beauty here is so lovely. Oh, it's a lot deeper than I thought that it was here during the autumn, and the water is so clean. So it will be a quick dip in the Baltic Sea on this 5th of April while it's raining. Beautiful. Barnens Bad on the island of Utö. It's so fantastic indeed. Okay, then Chris is ready for this quick dip, and I don't think it will get much deeper than this. My legs are freezing already, so let's just go with it, go with the flow and enjoy the quick dip here, as this is Beach Adventures with Chris and I'm going for a swim even in cold days like this in one of the most northernmost countries in the world. Okay, ready, set and go! It's nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice. It's different for sure, but also nice at the same time. It's also quite warmer when it rains also as well, and nice refreshing dip to enjoy. So that is a wrap for this episode from Utö Barnens Bad. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. It's a good thing that it's not blowing wind. And with this view of the beautiful nature of the Stockholm Archipelago, which is Utö Island, it's time for Chris to wrap up this beach adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!